Let's go. Okay guys, so we just arrived now to the North Terminal. So I'm gonna try to transport that. Hi guys there, thank you for watching this video. This is my first vlog and I'm gonna start making new vlogs for you. So I'm telling you, today I'm already waiting in the airport for 5 hours, so I still need to wait 2 more hours and then getting a flight to Malaga. From there going to the cruise and starting the experience already. So I will see you soon guys. Okay guys, so it's 6 in the morning already. My flight is departing around 6:20, so I need to make sure I get the flight and everything. I can lose that flight because then they're gonna kill me. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go shopping, because when I'm gonna get to Malaga I'm gonna be seeing to my dance partner, and I just remembered that today is her birthday, so I need to give a present to her. So I'm gonna go shopping now and then get in the plane very soon. So I will see you guys in Malaga already. See you soon. Okay, so there I'm running because I'm actually almost losing the flight. This is crazy. Where is this? Hey guys there, so I'm here on the plane. I still have half an hour more to get to Malaga. I made the flight. I was running late because I was trying to buy something for my dance partner, but then when I saw the time, it's like, oh shit, I need to go. But anyway, I will buy it in Malaga, so it's fine. And that's it. See you guys soon then. See you soon, yes. Okay, so my partner is now coming out and I bought this for her. She will be so excited. And I'm gonna sing now a little bit happy birthday for her. So let's wait. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Is that for me?
Yes, please.
Nice. Thank you very much. Woohoo! There we go.
Here we go.
So there we are.
We've just been told we are performing tonight.
Tonight.
We'll see how that
Yeah,
goes.
we thought today was chilling day, but
Do you know what?
we have work to do.
Let's do
Is
it.
it right?
That's what we came here to do.
I love it. Look at this. Nice, nice, nice.
Sanitize. This is the one important rule
Wow.
of shit.
How do you do that?
You just sanitize. Look.
Okay guys, so we already passed every single control that we need to, and now we are going inside the cruise finally. So this is the cruise. This is my partner. And this is me. Hope you like this video and I hope you are enjoying it. This week is just gonna be crazy as we are performing today. We didn't know we are performing today, but now we are, so it's cool. But it's stressful because I was thinking to have my day for chilling. But anyway, today we're gonna make it amazing for you. Look. Here we go.
Yeah, I know. Don't tell anybody, please.
Why?
Because if anybody asks, I'm 21 again.
You're such a liar.
I am.
Why are you such a liar?
I'm not.
You are.
I'm 21.
Okay, so this is your present.
You got me a present.
Yes, baby. Look at that.
Okay, so maybe it is
Open
my
it.
birthday.
Yeah, take it out.
You didn't have to do this.
I know.
Oh, look, isn't it?
You like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, look, I'll be wearing this around the ship. Look.
Nice.
Whoa. Look at that. Oh, Dan, you didn't have to do that. That's really sweet.
Thank you very much.
That's really sweet.
Thank you very much.
He's not single there, guys. Girls see.
I'm not single.
No. He's apparently taken, which he needs.
At the moment, yeah.
He needs to tell me about. Back in fact.
See you later.
See you later.
So now we're going inside the buffet. That's the buffet here. Let's go. Let's go. So hungry, bro. Hello guys, so I'm performing in 1 hour. We will perform at Jive. So it's the first night we're already performing. Wow!
Alright, now before I continue to tell you about the dance classes, why not let's see what they do. So will you please put your hands together to showcase their talents, our very own dance couple. Let's hear it for Amy and Daniel. Here in the Jubilee Lounge, Freddie Daniel. Let's hear it one more time.